Assalamu alaikum and happy good morning everyone. Here now I'm welcome to Zunaira from UKG to deliver some words about Independence Day. Zunaira, come.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am Zunaira. Today, 15th August marks the 78th Independence Day of our country. It's our national festival. On this day, in 1947, India gained freedom from British rule. We celebrated that day, hoisting the national flag and singing the national anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Is he proud to be an Indian? I love country very much. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.